Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot. And as some of the UK attempts to stop the coup, and we seemingly have a Prime Minister who, to paraphrase, is above parliamentary law, then you may be forgiven if you thought that equities weren't going to get a look in. But that's not the case, as evidenced by the 250% rise in Range Resources on Tuesday. The oil and gas company has agreed to sell its Trinidad operations to debt holder Lund-Yates Energy Services. Now, the business will be disposed of in exchange for offsetting all its outstanding debt owed to Lund-Yates and a cash consideration of $2.5 million. Well, Rangers chairman Kerry Goo is happy, as are some shareholders. Well, maybe not so investors in Marks and Spencer's, because Tuesday night sees the reshuffle in the FTSE 100, and M&S, having seen share slippage since June, may be having its final FTSE 100 supper. Well, a reminder that a company is relegated from the FTSE 100 if it falls below 111th place among qualifying companies on the London Stock Exchange, or if a company in the FTSE 250 rises to 90th position or above. And as of Tuesday day, here's the bottom of the FTSE 100 membership in terms of market capitalisation. And who might take Marks and Spencer's place? Well, that who is Russian gold miner Polymetal International. Now, at the end of August, the mid-cap miner hiked its interim dividend by 18% following a strong first half. Well, Wednesday we will be hearing from Barratt Developments. So, is it a Brexit-proof stock? Well, its share price seems rather waterproof and politically resilient. Now, remember in May, the company said it expects its full year results to be modestly ahead of expectations. Now, there was a caveat from Sophie Lund-Yates, equity analyst at Hargreaves Lansdown, who has cautioned it's possible there are some difficult conditions lurking not too far up the road. You can also join in on Wednesday. You can dial in and chip in. Well, it is the week for householders because we hear from Welsh builder Redrow on Thursday. Well, apparently comedian, author and channel swimmer David Williams gives you the keys to your property when you buy a house. Or is that me having a joke? Well, the chairman, Steve Morgan, he retired from the business that he founded in March 2019. He started Redrow in 1974 in the spare bedroom of a house in Ryle with a £5,000 loan from his dad, and his first line of work was digging sewers for Wrexham Council. Well, from sewers to the skies. Nice bit of, alliteration there. Thursday we get final results from Avation. Now, the company is a commercial airline leasing company. It's based in Singapore, but on Thursday the management will be making presentations across the capital. Now, here's the 5-year chart for the company, and here's Richard Wolanski, the finance director who does all the presentations. He's a busy man, so catch him while you can. Well, one of the more interesting trading updates on Friday is from Berkeley Group. Yes, another home builder. Well, Uncle Doug can barely contain his excitement. Now, this all looks very nice. They've been going since the hot summer of 1976, and I wonder if the company provides all the trimmings and soft furnishings. It would be rude not to, really. Which reminds me that Dunelm has its preliminary results on Wednesday. Well, Malky, aka Malcolm, has provided fresh market commentary on the LSE website. In this week's blog, he is talking all things oil, hurricanes and sport. The Ashes, it's all to play for, and a welcome distraction. Well, thank you for watching. I'm going to put my media gazebo up on College Green because it seems as though everybody else is there. Till next week.